Today marks the end of CJI DY Chandrachud's tenure. 10th of November is actually his last day, but today was his last working day. And if there is one individual who has the power to make groundbreaking decisions for not only a community, a country, corporates as well as big giants, it's the Chief Justice of India. So let's take a look at some of the landmark key events as well as some of the verdicts that he has delivered, as well as get to know a little bit about the Chief Justice of India. He was appointed as the 50th Chief Justice of India back in November of 2022 and is considered one of the most progressive and influential jurists of modern India. He was born on 11th of November 1959 and comes from a distinguished legal lineage. In fact, his father, Justice DY Chandrachud, also served as the longest serving CJI in the history of Indian judiciary. Justice DY Chandrachud's academic credentials, let's take a look at that as well. He went to some prestigious institutions such as Delhi University, Harvard Law School and Oxford University as well. Let's take a look at some of the civil as well as corporate cases that Chandrachud has delivered during his tenure, and even as part of, as a member of various benches in some of the key cases. Civil cases first, decriminalization of same-sex relations. 2018, Justice Chandrachud was part of the bench and read down section 377 of the Indian Penal Code, decriminalizing consensual same-sex relations. His opinion emphasized that the law should not be used to criminalize love and relationships between consenting adults. Moving on, women's rights to enter religious places. 2020, the Sabrimala case, a marquee case. Justice Chandrachud strongly advocated for gender equality, holding the ban on women of menstruating age from entering the Sabrimala temple, and he said that violated constitutional principles of equality and freedom of religion. These were some of the key judgments as far as the civil cases are concerned. On the corporate side, Vodafone International Holdings versus the Union of India, the 2012 case. The big bone of contention here was taxation and foreign investment. Moving on, let's also take a look at some of the other corporate marquee judgments that he made during his tenure. DLF Limited versus the SEBI 2019. Corporate fraud and market manipulation was at the helm of this particular case. He addressed issues of corporate fraud and the role of regulatory authorities like SEBI, and said that these bodies should ensure there is market integrity and for the larger public as well as retail investors. So these were few of the cases as far as CJI's tenure is concerned. He started back in 2022 and delivered over 200 cases during his time at the Supreme Court of India.